guys, welcome to our channel of This With Us and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video I'm just going to be showing you our house, our new house, 2-bedroom tour. So when you come to the door, this is the main entry and it has a bell, so you can just follow me. So when you come in the house, this is the space that you find. So you can come in. So our plan before we move in, we are going to be making this place here our dining. I'm going to be making every item in this house. So make sure you stay tuned to the channel, you subscribe to the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos and more. So I'm going to be making a 6-seater dining table here. And then when you come to this place here, I'm going to be placing my sitting room or living room here. And then we are going to be transforming the balcony. As you can see, this is our balcony. And this is our TV wall. So you can just come. Around here, we have a corridor which leads to the kitchen, the bedrooms, and the common washroom. So this is our kitchen. And I'm not going to be telling you more about the kitchen because this is not my area, but you can just see the kitchen. It's bright, it's spacious, and then we have a laundry area, this part here. This door leads to the laundry area, and this is our kitchen, but this is not my part, so you can just follow me. When you come this way, this is the first bedroom. It will be kids' bedroom or visitors' bedroom. So you can see it's spacious. It has enough storage, enough drawers, as you can see. And I'll be showing you everything in this. That includes me making beds, side tables, decorating the whole bedroom. So it will be a very, very long series. And then when you come here, we have our common washroom. This is our washroom. Guest washroom, so you can just show them. That is our guest bathroom. And then when you come this way, this is our master and suite. It's an en-suite bedroom, as you can see. And the best thing that I love about these apartments, they have enough storage. That is for your clothes, bags, etc., etc. And the other advantage it has is that they have just flushed the cabinets with the wall, so they are not protruding from the wall. It has enough storage, as you can see. And then another advantage is the windows. As you can see, we have enough natural lights. But I'm going to be placing curtains there. And then I'll be making a bed. Our bed here. So everything in this house will be a DIY. We are going to be doing a lot of DIYs in this house. So make sure that you follow our series, our videos, so that you'll see how this will turn out. And then they have these like pictures, every room, sitting room, they have these like pictures. So about the lights, I'm not going to be doing a lot of lights here because I think the lights that have been placed here are just enough for me. Maybe it's small touches. And then we have our bathroom here. Nothing interesting, just the normal washroom. As you can see, a normal shower, toilet there. Yeah, it's enough. So that is basically our 2-bedroom house tour. So make sure you stay tuned so that you can see everything that I'm going to be doing in this house, because I'll be posting each and every time everything that I'll be making. That includes all the furnitures, decorations, and many more. It will be a very, very interesting videos because I will not be buying 99% of the things that I'm going to be that are coming to this house will be DIYs that I'm going to be making and showing you the whole process from making them, decorating the house with them, and many more. Maybe the things that I'll be buying are very, very, very little things. So it will be a very interesting video and a very interesting house transformation. So So let's see you as we move out from our previous house, coming to this house. Thank you.